Let's divide 62 by 2. Super Math Stars. Sparkles, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. You guys rock. Alrighty, let's start dividing 62 by 2. Get ready for some mathematic sparkles. We look at the first divid of 62, which is 6. We're going to use just this 6 for now. How many times does 2 fit into 6? Let's count by 2's 2, 4, 6, it fits 3 times. Let's deck 3 times 2 is 6, perfect math. Now we subtract 6 from our 6. That leaves us with 0, easy peasy. You're doing amazing. That 3 is the first part of our answer. Now let's bring down the next divot, which is 2, to din the remainder 0. Get ready for the next step. Okay, Math Explorers, let's dive into the next step. We've got a 0 and a 2 to work with. We bring down the next divot, 2, next to our remainder zeros. Now we have the number 2. How many times does our divisor 2 fit into this new number 2? Just 1 time. Let's ek or work. 1 times 2 equals 2, spot on. Time to subtract. 2 minus 2 equals, we're almost there. Woohoo, you figured it out. That 1 is the next part of our answer. And guess what? We've used all the divots in 62 and our remainder is 0, we're done. So 62 divided by 2 is 31. Gret ob everyone party popper.
We thus shed how 62 can be split into 2 equal groups of 31. See, you telly rocked this long division problem. Keep practicing and you'll be a math superstar.
That's all for today. Keep practicing and come back to Let's Stud for more fun math. Alan is. See you next time, waving hand.